Hey, what's up guys? It's Adam from Lazy Guy DIY, and today we are back with another Home Depot ProSpective Tool review. Today we're going to be checking out the DeWALT Atomic series. So we're going to check a impact and drill driver kit, and it also comes with a new set of drill bits. It's called the Black and Gold series. These things set up with the Tough system, so it clips right in. So that's a great thing to take a look at, but let's first talk about the Atomic series. So a few years ago, I actually looked at the Atomic series. I checked them out. I did a head-to-head, and that was back end of 2019, early 2020, and this is when they first came out, and I didn't really know where these tools fit into the world of impact drivers and drill drivers, because when you look at them side by side, the difference is not huge between what the 20-volt XR is and then what they're calling the subcompact series here with the Atomic. So if you look at them side by side, the only real difference that you get here is the Atomic is a little bit wider, but when you look at them compared, when you put them tail to tail essentially, or you look from the back of the drill driver to where the chuck is, there is a significant difference on the drill driver. That's probably about a ½ inch to a ¼ inch, and then when you look at the impacts, it's probably about a ¼ inch as well. So there is a little bit of difference. It's odd though that the Atomics are just the tiniest bit wider. It's about a 1/16 of an inch. Hey, but they still are considered subcompact. They're smaller than any other tools that you normally see out there. So the next thing we need to talk about is the batteries. For the DeWALT Atomic, you get these little guys here, and obviously there's something missing. If you look on here, there is no battery gauge on these. Now with the Atomic series, what I will say is, because these batteries are a little bit smaller and they come with them standard, is that this is probably geared more towards your weekend warrior or your basic DIYer. So if this is your first toolkit, first impact or cordless, and you're stepping up to brushless, this is a great kit for that, and you may want to upgrade to the battery, but these do not come with battery gauges. It's funny though, because with the 20-volt Max XR, if you get the smaller battery, they do have battery gauges on them. So again, just a little bit stripped down to what you would find with the 20-volt XR, but also it's a cheaper price point. Let's talk about performance though. These are brushless, so they are more efficient, so it's a step up if you're picking these up, especially if you have something that's a standard impact driver or drill driver. So you are getting a step up there, but as far as performance, it is not quite up to what you get for the 20-volt XR from DeWALT, but that's okay though. So I use it for a bunch of tasks. I use it to assemble furniture for my son's room. I did a project where I was doing some outdoor planters, and they held up well. The only thing that I had a little bit of struggling with is with a hole saw using the drill driver. If you put a little bit too much pressure, it would stall out a little bit, and then you just have to back off and try again. It made it, it worked through. Also, if using lag bolts, if you're doing a bigger lag bolt, I did have a little delay there and a little bit of an issue there, but that's okay. Again, these are not heavy duty job site tools. We're not talking nut busting power, but the impact driver itself actually held up pretty well. All right, now that we've taken a look at these, what do we recommend? Is this a tool that you should go out and buy? If you already have an impact set out there, it's not one that I would say you need to rush out for, and it's been out for about a year and a half or so, so maybe there's going to be an upgrade to it. The power is not anything that's going to blow you away. If you're looking at something that's subcompact, if you're looking for a little bit more power, even the Milwaukee M12 series, they're more compact and they pack a lot more of a punch. But if you're on the DeWALT battery platform, these are compatible with all the 20-volt batteries, so there's a little upside there if you want to switch around and have something just a little bit smaller and a little bit lighter to have in your toolbox. But again, if you're going out to buy your first tool set, your first impact set, and you see something, you want to go for brushless, because those batteries last a little bit longer, so less of a toll on the actual motor there. So check these out. You can get them at the Home Depot, and also with this pack, remember, you get these black and gold impact bits as well. So thanks guys, I hope you enjoy this review, and if you could, make sure you subscribe up there if you're not already, and make sure you check out the video review down there. Thanks guys, I'll check you on the next video.